You turn on the wrong street, you will get got. Rules of the city, like feed by follow. Smoke in a phone, motherfucker. I'll be the first to tell these rappers get your paws up. Stop the P, you know what's happening when we all up. I tell every slut, they will pull your jaws up.
Hey, yo, my city, if you having a dope ass time, can we get some motherfucking ones up in the chat? Bro, that was so sick.
Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at. Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at. Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at. Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at.
you know, trying to paint a perfect picture of NWA. It's probably unreal, you know, it's trying to show that.
You know what? Mama said it be days like this, straight hell on earth, in a major way. They say, don't let them see you crawl, don't let them see you fall. All they gonna do
God, this place is fucking paradise, bro.
It's a cold world, nigga, bring a bomber jacket. If it's another hustle out there, I'ma crack it. Or change your whole life, I'ma learn how to eat. Get my mind right, stay about these fucking streets. They keep calling me, they keep calling. All the little homies keep calling. In them same traps, niggas can't figure out. In the fast lane, boy, but the bridge is out. Make my blood boil, get your life spoil. Get you in the system, get you in the soil. And your funeral was sponsored by Unical. Saw you UVN, nigga, digital. So all my people going through it on a daily basis. And it seems like the world is full of cold places.
Keep your head up, fuck what they said, cuz you can do it and a man will get you through it.
I believe that, homie, I believe that. If I can picture that, I'll bring a picture back. I believe that, homie, I believe that. If I can picture that, I'll bring a picture back.
What would it take to get my people to connect together? You know with black excellence, 2 feet got hate together. Picture a photograph of black folks live together in high definition and high I would never turn my back on the block. I got the black on my back like James Brown. I'm proud to be back to all the sisters.
Cause at the end of the day, when the sun go down, you say your mama, I'm a
sisters. Ain't no knocking you back. Politicians politicking with the counting and counting. The house got flavor and I like it like that. Black girl power, yeah, I'm rocking with that. Those is getting kicked down, statues is getting ripped down. Presidents meeting overseas just to have a sit down. They trying to keep us from running out. I never take it and get down. It's all about coming up.
So all my people going through it on a daily basis. And it seems like the world is full of cold places.
Keep your head up, fuck what they said, cuz you can do it and a man will get you through it.
I believe that, homie, I believe that. If I can picture that, I'll bring a picture back. I believe that, homie, I believe that. If I can picture that, I'll bring a picture back. I see you niggas on the corner trying to bitches say fuck school and start stripping trying to. I remember in Compton saying mama, I'm a. Even after the bullshit and drama, I'm a. Nigga Dre got AKs and llamas, you can. I don't care where it's at, if I want it, I'm gonna. Cause at the end of the day, when the sun go down, and the man in the mirror's the only nigga around, I thank myself cause I pushed me to go. So my team work hard, stay down, we go. Now they ain't gotta take my word for it, cause they, now they dreams ain't dreams no more, they wake up and they live it. But I'm gonna get it.
In addition, I ain't know what they was slipping in them drinks I was sipping. I didn't think probably something pink I was sipping. Last time I woke up in the clink, I was tripping.
100, 2 drink, 3 me, I shows up and he told her, ain't nothing changing. But you ain't call a problem, I was zombie. Stumbling out the party, I was talking paparazzi.
How fucking dope is this, bro?
Or hit the studio, maybe because it's first hot. My first shot, my first hot, my third shot. Took the got the thirst for the first knot. My attitude was at the 12, those stars. Plus I'm an alcoholic, got the girl behind the bar. The ops can't call it, they ain't never been involved. Money working on the 10, they ain't never been a job.
So all my people going through it on a daily basis. And it seems like the world is full of cold places.
Keep your head up, fuck what they said, cuz you can do it and a man will get you through it.
I believe that, homie, I believe that. If I can picture that, I'll bring a picture back. I believe that, homie, I believe that. If I can picture that, I'll bring a picture back. Bang this shit.
I'm not nice, like Fantasia, without no microphone on the mic. I'm an ugly ass sight.
I got to warn you, this is California. Homegrown, get your dome blown. South Central couldn't hold his potential. Mind you mention, hood credentials. Dub C is like the fundamentals. In the back of winches with the 4-5 cock. Everybody better hold they spot. Niggas think they hot, but no, they not.
From the city they call L.O. What y'all know about the D.O.G.? I keep my peeps with a bag of tricks. On the streets, my nephews beat the beat and keep that heat in the cut and in the street. Me and Dub C crippin' cousins in this industry. A lot of y'all pretend to be. Wanna see friends with me and then wanna sleep with the enemy. Want some, get some, bad enough, take some. Suckers popping off, I'm about to take one. Break some, make done, don't want none. And just cause we talking, What you doing, sleepwalking? I got to warn you, this is California. Homegrown, get your dome blown. South Central couldn't hold his potential. Monumental, hood credentials. Dub C is like the fundamentals. In the back of winches with the 4-5 cock. Everybody better hold they spot. Niggas think they hot, but no, they not.
Straight off the streets of chaos, no pity. The aggravated, making these punk motherfuckers hate it. Compton is the city I'm from. Can't never leave the crib without a murder weapon. I can't live my life on broke no more. And most of these fools ain't shit but cutthroats. They smile in the nigga face. For what? They got the game fucked up. I want my thing fucked up.
I got to warn you, this is California. Homegrown, get your dome blown. South Central couldn't hold his potential. Monumental, hood credentials. Dub C is like the fundamentals. In the back of winches with the 4-5 cock. Everybody better hold they spot. Niggas think they hot, but no, they not.
I'm so nervous I should keep moving.
Back to the streets with it. Put the tape down like a spoon, cause I piece with it. And I ain't a nigga to talk peace with it. I squeeze with it, play for keeps with it. Put you under the white sheet with it. It's back on, Lynch robbing in a big bone. It's been a while, but nigga, not that long. Still west side, dumping chronic ash with the cannons. Busting on you niggas with them gay ass dances. From the t-shirts and starter caps. Real recognize real, but y'all niggas know what gangsta rap started at. Yeah, I said it and I'm afraid to say it. Up and when the sun set, bite my tongue for shit. You know the place to introduce the world of thugging and different. The place that got these out of town niggas blood and crippin'. The place where we gun slang. The same place Kobe scored 81 in one motherfucking game.
I got to warn you, this is California. Homegrown, get your dome blown. South Central couldn't hold his potential. Monumental, hood credentials. Dub C is like the fundamentals. In the back of winches with the 4-5 cock. Everybody better hold they spot. Niggas think they hot, but no, they not.
Lynch robbers on point.
I started this gangsta shit. I started this gangsta shit. And you can tell him, motherfucker, I'm Dre. And he's a felon. 911, fuck the fame. You can tell him, the motherfucking thanks I get to dialing. The motherfucking thanks I get. And you can tell him, the motherfucking thanks I get. And he's a felon. Fuck the fame. Real motherfucker, say gangsta. Any nigga from the city they call Airlie Beach. What y'all know about the DJI? I keep my peeps with a bag of tricks. On the streets, my nephews beat the beat and keep that heat in the cut and in the street. Me and Dub C tripping cousins in this industry. A lot of y'all pretend to be. Wanna see friends with me and then wanna sleep with the enemy. Want some, get some, bad enough, take some. Suckers popping off, I'm about to take one. Rape son, make one, don't want none. And just cause we talking, what you doing, sleepwalking? I started this gangsta shit. I started this gangsta shit. And you can tell him, motherfucker, I'm Dre. And he's a felon. 911, fuck the fame. And you can tell him, the motherfucking thanks I get to dialing. The motherfucking thanks I get. And you can tell him, the motherfucking thanks I get. And he's a felon. Fuck the fame. Real motherfucker, say gangsta.
Corner your working eye, the body decline. The school of hard knocks turned into Columbine. And my set throwing a dollar sign. Some get robbed, some get popped. Me, nobody move, nobody shot. Left from in the body shop. Where you rub me wrong and your body drops. Starve a nigga, even with a shell up